Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Collision repairs are being asked to melt the clear in the middle of a panel. I'm not aware of any paint manufacturers that warranty this process. If we need to do a proper refinish, we want to extend that paint to the nearest breaking point. Your estimating system may have a formula in the P pages or is selectable in the database for a not included operation. When doing something like this to the nearest breaking point, you also want to consider any additional R&I work to the door seals, to the glass, or any trim that may be in the way to perform a refinish that extends a clear to the nearest breaking point. If you have any questions, reference the paint manufacturer's bulletins, reference the OEM bulletins. If you have any questions as far as included and not included operations for extending the clear, you can visit us at degweb.org and we can help provide the clarification. Thank you. If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.